From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming April 24th trading session. In front of you, I have the dollar Swiss, and you'll notice there's a yellow triangle on this chart. There's a lot of things that I look at when I see this chart, and there's a lot of things that catch my attention. Without a doubt, the possible descending triangle, but really what had caught my attention previously was the obvious support here at 0.95. On Wednesday, we had the green candle here in reaction to the Swiss National Bank extending negative interest rates on deposits for financial institutions that had previously been exempt. In other words, the market saw that as loosening of monetary policy. With that, the franc sold off. But you can see that Thursday saw a complete reversal of this. Now we are testing 0.95 again, and I find it interesting because we do have something akin to a descending triangle. Now, triangles, for those of you who don't typically trade them or might be fairly new to trading, when they form, there are a couple rules that you should look for. And one of them is you don't want it, if the market just kind of drifts sideways and breaks out of the triangle, it means that the formation meant nothing. It just kind of negates it. That's one thing that could happen. Another thing is we could break down below the bottom, and I really would like to see a move below 0.94, and the reason is over here on the left in the past there's a bit of a cluster there. Pretty supportive. Typically when you see that much support as a zone, it's not a line, so maybe 0.94 being broken would be a nice selling opportunity. And then you can just take the triangle measurement here, which is about 600 pips, and put it down to 0.88. No, look at that. You have support right there. So it kind of becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. I like that. That's typical. You want to see the triangle be broken somewhere around 75-80% of the triangle. You don't want it to fill out to here, because if you do, again, it's kind of killed itself off. However, having said that, I would highly recommend paying attention to this if it breaks to the upside as well, because although there's really not a way to measure that, at least that I use, I would recommend that if you can break the top of that triangle and negates that triangle, and that means something. That means we go to the 0.98 level, the most recent high, and then probably parity after that. So I think we're going to make a serious decision here soon, and that's why I brought this pair to your attention. I don't even know if it's today, but I certainly see that we need to pay attention over the next couple of days to the Swiss franc.